There you go, guys. Hello. Let's go on tour. Hey, husband. This is unacceptable. Here's another tree growing where you said I couldn't have a peach tree. Ooh. People driving by. Isn't that beautiful? I mean. Stunning. And kind of gross. You can't stop them once you've planted them, I'm telling you. It's just beautiful. And this is the sad truth of my tomatoes. Nothing to report here. I came out here to harvest a couple of days ago. I saw there were so many red ones, and they were all messed up. I'm trying to figure out. Now I know there's weeds, okay? Forgive those, but I just seeded turnips a few days ago in here. How rude. I hate living in town, y'all. I really do. Alright. Pull these out while I'm running my mouth. Yeah. Are those all? That has to be turnips. Look how many there are. Because, you know, I broadcasted them just all through here. You know, I figure I could thin them, and I always say that and I never thin them, but I'm going to do it this time. So anyway, are those turnip seeds all germinating? If so, wow, that happened fast. Okay. There's my carrot bed. Here again, a lot of weeds. Like, this is my native soil up on top here, okay? And it's an acorn. But look, this came up. Very brassica looking. I don't know what it is. It'll be a surprise to all of us. But I got carrots in here. As you could see. Got good germination. Got a lot of weeds. In this particular area right here, I actually spilled some carrots. So they're just in there willy-nilly. This is really stressful to me. Being able to tell carrot seeds from weed seeds. So I'm just kind of leaving it alone for now. They'll become apparent. Oh, yeah. And I also stuck some radishes over here. But that was like yesterday or the day before. They're not up yet. Okay. Moving on. All the sunflowers in the back have gone one by one to the animals. They get treats. And so now we're cutting these down one by one. Aren't they beautiful? Morning glories growing on them are just a treat. Verbena's kind of had it for the year, so no more verbena. And I'm about to cut this asparagus patch down when I take those final sunflowers out of it. And there's my muscadines. I have yet to look up when they're supposed to be done. So I've got 3 little muscadines down there, and I've eaten one. It was not ready. So I'm just waiting on those, and I've already been praying for the winter to be gentle to them, because I really want them to live. But we'll see. Elephant ears. And there's my brassicas there. and there. All back there. Still waiting. Got another clove print coming this weekend, and I'm hoping it's the one that sticks. However, I've got something eating my, look at that, stripped. I got tool coming today, so we'll get that stopped. This stuff smells like honey. I'm in love with it. Eating my tomatillos. Do you think it's that maybe? Look, they're still at it. Get out of here. Oh, man. Because look. Little tiny baby watermelon. First time growing watermelon. I think it's happy with itself. Again, this could have been done at a different part of the year, but you know, you find a package of seeds and you say, hey. Now here, I had girl go last week, or a week before last, and pull all the peppers off, because they really had a hard time in the heat. We fertilized, and I'm kind of surprised sitting here looking at them. Now, the peppers are taking their time getting back up there, you know. Replenishing stock. Yeah, looks like we're gonna have a heck of a lot more peppers coming. Actually, because of the peppers this year, I need a deep freeze. I just need another freezer for harvest. You know, when you got your meat in there, and then you got like 20 bags of frozen roasted peppers, stuff's getting out of hand. I just wish my tomatoes would have done this good. Y'all, I can grow tomatoes. Y'all go back and look at my videos. Oh, look at this. I used to be like 5'11". So I think I'm like 5'10" now, because I shrunk and I'm old. These things are up to my chin. A lot of them. We got morning glory running amok in here. They're choking out my peppers. This has got to be taken care of. Yep. Oh yeah, corn. 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 Let's see. You see? Stalk getting ready. These little skinny things, but they're long. This is a double corn, so like each ear should give me technically 2 ears of corn, like you cut it in half, you know. I'd be happy to just get one, because this is my first time growing corn. And I've been fertilizing. Don't you worry about that. Look how tall this one is. It's taller than me. I don't know why. Oh. See, look. Grasshoppers ate its silk. Yeah, I'm worried. Anyway, this is a row of volunteer peppers that we saved. It looks like I'm growing grass, y'all. But I swear we're working. This bed needs to be cleaned up. Okay. And here's where we put our leeks and spinach yesterday. This is where our back patty pans were. There's my kitty over there. He's a jungle cat. So this is shameful, but I'm starting to clean this bed up. I'm starting to get it. You know, grass is a different kind of ground cover, I figure. Sitting here waiting for me. Okra. Picking so much okra. And I got a couple of cantaloupes finishing up. That's about all I got for you guys. You know, I'm in transition. Oh, wait. Over here, we planted, what did we plant? I'm trying to think. See, sweet peas in the back. And then mustard greens and collard greens. 2 row of mustards and 2 row of collards. So yeah, we're doing all the things. Getting it done. I need to water those too. This is the goat eating rose bush, trying to make a recovery. This thing's gonna get cut all the way back next spring. We are gently digging it up, and it is going to have a in-ground bed. So that's our new start for the rose. And then I'll get to do something else with this silver trough. Then my little chickies, just living their chicken life in my garden. That way I can throw those weeds to them. Anyway, that's all I got. I appreciate you coming and spending time with me if you're here. Peace, guys.